Welcome to the project of Android voice controlled home automation system. So in this project we are going to controlling the home devices like fan or lights, so through the voice commands from mobile phone through the Bluetooth communication. So here we are presenting two bulbs as a home devices. So instead of these bulbs we can place any 230 volts operated devices like fans, lights or heaters, TV, like that. So we are connecting the bulbs and we are name them as TV and the lights. So one bulb will be on and off by giving the input voice input from the phone like TV on, TV off. For this one, light on, light off. And coming to this whole circuitry, so from the Bluetooth module we are going to use HC05. So this was interfaced at the B0 B1 of the PIC microcontroller, and once we provide the voice input signal from the mobile phone, and that was given to the PIC microcontroller, the respected pins, and based on the instructions given under the program, so we are going to controlling the devices through this electromagnetic relay. So these relays are operated 5 volts. So from here, this cable we are going to provide the 5 volts power supply, and from these two wires we are going to give the input signals to on and off these relays. And coming to this board, so there is a transistors, so means we are going to on the transistor. The transistors will allow the 5 volt supply to this relay, and the same time we are going to on and off this LED indication. From there we can understand the relay status, and when the relay got switched on, so then 230 volts power supply from here we are providing, and it will be given to this bulbs. So means relay act as a switch. So the whole purpose is like whole way is, flow is from the microcontroller to the transistor, transistor to the relay, relay to the bulb. So in this way we are going to controlling the bulbs, and relays got interfaced at C6 C7 of the PIC microcontroller, and the status of the devices will be monitored on the LCD display, like device 1 and device 2 are on and off, status will be displayed on the LCD. And coming to this motherboard, so we are using 16F72 microcontroller, and this is the reset switch. So we are going to provide the 5 volts power supply directly from the adapter, and from there the microcontroller start reading input and controlling the output modules. And this is the 20 megahertz of crystal oscillator, and this is power LED indication with a 330 ohm resistor, and a green light is programmable LED indication. Whenever the voice input from the mobile phone, the light will be toggle, means it will be on and off based on the signal, each signal, and with the resistor of 330 ohm resistor. And this is the on off switch. So after connecting the power supply, just switch on the kit, and there will be a welcome message on the LCD, and it will display the status of the bulbs. So we need to install this app, and after switching on the kit, go to the Bluetooth section of a phone and search for the devices. So once we got the HC05, it will ask for the password. The password is 1234. After pairing from the settings, then only go to the app. Initially we need to pair from the settings and then open the app, and then connect device HC05. Automatically it will be connected. Right, once it was connected, the LED light blinking got very slow. So as we can observe that before connecting that it's blink fast, and after pairing from the app only it will be slow down. And let us give the voice input off. Tap here, TV on, light on, TV off, light off. So in this manner we can control how many devices we want. We can connect them, and we can programming through this microcontroller and give the voice input signal from the Bluetooth Android phone. Thank you for watching demo.